All right, YouTube followers, I just want to give you an update on some of the product that has arrived for my Lexus build. Some of these companies have reached out and send me product, and some of these products I've actually purchased on my own. But I just want to quickly go over what we got going on so far. My car is a 2014 Lexus IS250 F-Sport all-wheel drive. I'll pop up a picture real quick here of what it looks like now. A couple weeks ago, I picked up a set of work 3-piece wheels. They're anodized red or powder-coated red. We'll be using those wheels. I reached out to BC Racing for these coilovers. They kind of owed me a favor from a couple years ago. I had built an Acura NSX, and when I was selling the car, I sold my Volk T37s to a guy from BC Racing for their own personal NSX. So he was able to hook me up with the coilovers. A company reached out to me from Amazon on this front lip. I think it's actually going to turn out pretty nice. It's gloss black in color. The front lip overlaps kind of like this. Hopefully you can see in the picture. And then it has these like little fins here on the front. On the sides, kind of goes up a little bit here. So I think that's going to turn out real nice. The front lip, I believe, is like $75 on Amazon. So I'm excited to get that installed. This company here is JDM Toy Lighting Company. They went ahead and sent us white LED fog lights, which I mentioned in my last video I wanted to get. A company called Misfit sent us these reverse lights. They're LED. The car normally just has halogen bulbs. I think those are like 15 bucks on Amazon. This company here, just some aftermarket lug nuts for the wheels that I got. I picked up a 12-inch kicker sub woofer, the box, and there's a kicker amp on here as well. It's the DX250. It looks like a monoblock amp. Touch-up paint for the car. My car is used, so it has a few little rock chips here and there. One company sent me FSport emblems. This company actually sent me this really cool metal key fob. It's a case that goes around your factory key fob. I think those are like 20 bucks on eBay. Comes in many different colors. I kind of like this a lot. This company here, it's called Car Pod Go. It's actually it's a navigation touchscreen backup camera. It's kind of universal, so it's easy to unplug off your cigarette lighter and move it to any car you got. So I am excited to be doing an unboxing and setting that up in a car. I think that's going to actually turn out really neat as well. But it's Bluetooth for like like hands-free calling, Bluetooth for your music. You can actually, if you want to download like music videos and put them on a flash drive, it'll play the video for you. But it also is FM modulated, so it'll go through your speakers without any wiring hooked up. So really all you gotta do is just plug in a cigarette lighter and it's up and going. The only other thing is if you want to wire up a backup camera, that takes probably 15-20 minutes to do a backup camera to it as well. So I'm excited to do that. But I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what we got going on so far. I didn't mention, but I also got an amp wiring kit for the amplifier. But these are the parts that have shown up so far. So the expensive parts, I got the wheels, I got the coilovers, I got the front lip. Next, I'm going to be buying some side skirts. I want to do like a rear lip or a rear diffuser. But I'm excited to get this going, guys. The weather's starting to get a little bit warmer here. I know it's still it's actually March 1st, actually March 2nd. But as the weather gets warmer, we'll be getting all these parts installed and we'll be having a great build on this Lexus this year. Like I said, I'm excited, guys. Stay tuned as more products keep showing up for it.
It was not